Following the success of the Vivo V40 Lite, Vivo has introduced the Vivo V50 Lite 5G, a promising upgrade. Designed to meet the evolving needs of smartphone users. The key question surrounding this new model is whether it can convince users by blending a massive battery capacity with a slim, lightweight design. After spending time with the device, it's clear that Vivo has struck a fine balance between form and function. The Vivo V50 Lite 5G inherits the sleek and contemporary aesthetics of its predecessor, featuring a flat metal frame that adds a sturdy feel to the phone. The frame glossy, metallic finish gives the device a premium look, complemented by gently rounded corners that enhance its ergonomics. The rear camera module is arranged in a vertical rectangular shape, reminiscent of the Vivo V40 Lite. However, Vivo has added a distinctive touch by making the primary 50 megapixels camera lens larger and slightly protruding, setting it apart visually. Supporting the main camera is an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens and the signature Aura Light ring, an innovative feature unique to Vivo V series. This ring not only adds an elegant design element, but also improves lighting conditions when taking photos. The phone dimensions are impressive. A large 6.77-inch screen fits within a remarkably slim 7.8mm body, weighing only 196 grams. This lightweight construction ensures comfortable one-handed use and reduces fatigue during prolonged handling, which is notable given the massive 6,500 mAh battery. Housed inside, a technical achievement rarely seen in the mid-range segment. Durability is another strong suit of the Vivo V50 Lite 5G. It boasts an IP65 rating, providing protection against water splashes and dust, giving users peace of mind in daily usage. Further, the phone meets military-grade MIL STD 810H standards and holds a 5-star SGS rating for drop resistance, underscoring Vivo's commitment to build quality. The Vivo V50 Lite 5G display is a highlight. Its 6.77-inch AMOLED panel delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high contrast, perfect for entertainment and everyday tasks. With a full HD resolution 1080 by 2392 pixels and pixel density of about 388 pixels per inch, the screen offers sharp and clear visuals. Notably, the display supports a peak brightness of up to 1800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, a crucial advantage for outdoor usage. It also covers the P3 color gamut at 105% saturation, reproducing colors with cinematic accuracy and vibrancy, ideal for watching videos or gaming. For user comfort, Vivo integrates eye protection technology certified by SGS low blue light standards, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. The phone also supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling, gaming, and navigation fluid and responsive, contributing to an overall premium user experience. Under the hood, the Vivo V50 Lite 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, built on a 6nm process. It features an octa-core CPU with two Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores at 2.0 GHz, paired with a Mali G57MC2 GPU. The device includes up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Running Android with Vivo FunTouch OS 15 on top. Benchmark scores reflect the phone position in the mid-range category, approximately 437,000 on Antutu and moderate Geekbench results, when compared to rivals like the Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G, which uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. The V50 Lite 5G falls short in raw power. However, Vivo's strategy focuses less on peak performance and more on user-centric features like battery life. In real-world gaming tests with titles like PUBG and Lean Quan Mobile, the phone handles medium to high settings well, providing a satisfactory gaming experience for casual and moderate players. The Vivo V50 Lite 5G offers a versatile camera setup tailored for everyday photography. The 50 megapixels main sensor uses the Sony IMX882 with a 11.95-inch sensor size, f1.8 aperture, and phase detection. Autofocus, capturing detailed and colorful photos in good lighting. The 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera offers a 120-degree field of view, producing acceptable wide-angle shots, though some software processing can result in slightly artificial images. The front-facing 32 megapixels camera is equipped with an f2.5 aperture and benefits from the Aura Light ring, providing softer and more natural lighting for selfies, especially in dim conditions. Portrait mode is a particular strength, with effective background blur and natural skin tones. A 2x zoom crop from the main sensor helps create well-composed portrait shots. Night mode and the Aura Light ring support decent low-light photography for its class. Although handling of bright light sources like LED signs could be improved to reduce overexposure. The most remarkable aspect of the Vivo V50 Lite 5G is its battery performance. Equipped with a huge 6,500 mAh cell, one of the largest capacities in the mainstream market, the phone excels in longevity. Vivo proprietary BlueVolt technology optimizes battery density and efficiency, allowing such a big battery to fit inside a slim chassis. Charging speeds are also impressive, with 90W flash charge support enabling a full recharge in about 1 hour. Daily usage tests involving social media, video streaming, and gaming show the phone can last up to a day and a half on a single charge. A dream scenario for power users, streamers, and gamers alike.